Hey guys, what's up? It's Ty here with SolesNSuds, and today we are going to test the Markk Essential Cleaning Kit. So let's get right into it. It comes with a 4-ounce bottle of solution and a standard cleaning brush. It was around $20 online. The directions are dip brush into a bowl of water, apply liberal amount of solution to brush, scrub material creating foaming action, wipe clean with a microfiber towel, repeat as needed, air dry. We will follow these directions exactly. It says it can clean many different types of materials, suede being one of them. So we're going to be cleaning these Bart SB Dunks. They are suede, and suede is one of the tougher materials to clean, so we will put it to the test and see if it actually does what it claims. Let's get this bag open and take a look at what we got. So we obviously have the 4-ounce bottle. It pretty much has the same information as the bag. And then we have our standard brush. I would say it's a medium bristle brush. It is pretty firm. I don't like using firm bristle brushes on suede, but we'll see how it does. We'll use this bowl to dip our brush, add plenty of solution like the directions told us to, and we'll start brushing away. With this cleaning, I made sure to hit every area of the shoe. I was really focusing on the stitching at this point. It was really dirty, really stained, and then I started to make my way on the uppers. The uppers, as you saw, were super dirty. They had a lot of dirt and dust in the actual suede. So with this solution, it actually worked very well. The only problem I saw was the brush. The brush was really stiff, and I don't like that with suede. It almost started peeling some of the suede, and that is a no-go. As you can see on the midsole right now, there was a little bit of flakes of the suede. You really want to get a soft bristle brush when cleaning suede. I did this for you guys to test the actual kit. I then cleaned the outsole, which that stiff bristle brush really did work. That's what it's meant for. It's meant for midsoles and outsoles, not any delicate materials. So this was my recommendation. I would really get a soft bristle brush if you are buying this kit. It is a very good solution. I mean, it cleaned these shoes very well, but make sure you buy a soft bristle brush because you don't want to damage your shoes when cleaning. And here are the results. The shoes look great. The actual cleaner did a great job. The only thing I have an issue with is the brush. You need more brushes to do a complete job. So that's my recommendation. Make sure you get some more brushes if you do buy this kit. Thank you all for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking. It really helps the channel out. And comment what you would like to see because I am always willing to do a video. Thank you so much for watching and catch you on the next one.